Do you have some maybe success stories, some examples of the work actually in action?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So especially the way I've got two examples. One is based on a large leadership team that I did a team YOS workshop on, and basically with them, they were mixed leaders in this group, and some of them had only been with the organization a few months. This particular team that I did the workshop with, they have a very large company, which is great, but they lost 80% of their employees with COVID, after COVID. 80%. And so in the last 3 years, they've obviously rehired and filled those positions. But think of what that does to a team when you've got all these new people from different areas that come in. So we did the why workshop, and we basically bookended with crucial conversations and how you actually converse and interact with the rest of the leadership team, no matter what level they're at, including giving and receiving feedback. And it was miraculous. I followed up with them again, and they said to me, this has transformed how we are talking to each other. So, and that was just based on a workshop. I knew some of the people for quite some time that were in this organization, and they had me come in. But it's so nice to see that they can use the tool, not just learn it for one day and then lose it, but they use the tool and the impact of that tool in their daily life, at work, and at home. The other example is a dentist group that had really been in business, has been in business for 50 years, but after COVID, their cultures began to break apart. I mean, COVID impacted so many of our businesses. And so I have gone into them and worked with them individually, developing their leadership team. They had no leadership team, so we identified, developed their leadership team. But I've been doing predominantly now team coaching with their entire team. And as I wean away from them, the newly emerging leaders are taking on those responsibilities and accountabilities to guide and carry that team forward. It's just so much fun to see. And so I can fall back into more of a facilitative role with them as I bring them material and keep them engaged, because transformation in teams takes time. And you can't go after all the silver shiny objects and expect it to work within 1 to 2 months. And it takes commitment by the leadership team and the owners. You just can't do it any other way.